Welcome to Java Tutorials for Beginners. In this tutorial, we will get to know about Java JDBC API, which enables applications connect to a relational databases like MySQL, MySQL Server, and Oracle. JDBC API makes possible to query and update databases or call stored procedures. The Java JDBC API is part of the core Java SDK, making JDBC available to all Java applications that want to use it. JDBC is an abbreviation for the term Java Database Connection. We need JDBC for the following needs: for establishing stable database connectivity with the application API, to execute SQL queries and DDL or DML commands, for view and modifying data records in data storage units. Let's see the architecture of JDBC. The JDBC application is in the topmost position of the JDBC architecture. JDBC application is the data processing of application that intends to access the data. Second component is JDBC API. The JDBC API ensures that a stable connection is established between the data storage unit and the JDBC application. The JDBC manager takes care of selecting appropriate driver manager to ensure that the driver software to offer an uninterrupted connection. JDBC driver is in the crucial unit in the JDBC architecture. JDBC driver is the first layer of JDBC architecture that has direct contact with the data storage units. Data storage units are the base of the JDBC. This data storage unit is the place where all the data is kept accessible to for all the JDBC applications. There are two types of JDBC architecture: two-tier model and three-tier model. In two-tier model, a Java application directly communicates with the data source. JDBC driver provides communication between the application and the data source. When a user sends a query to the data source, the answers to those queries are given to the user in the form of results. In the three-tier model, the query of the user queries goes to the middle tier services. From the middle tier service, the commands again reach the data source and the results of the query go back to the middle tier. From there, it finally goes to the user. This type of model is beneficial for management information system. When we use JDBC API, we need to import the SQL packages to ensure the classes are readily available for the program. In the next stage, we need to make the program understand that a particular package is imported and get the process of package registration to make it capable of communicating with the JDBC application and database. In this stage, we have the packages and the login and registration process is also done. Now the database is ready for connection. Once the application and database are ready to perform the necessary operation, we need to write the SQL query and submit it to the JDBC API to run it and get results. Executing the query is similar to implementing the JDBC API. We can use the execute query command to run the SQL query return. After executing the query, the JDBC system takes care of next step, which is to process the output and retrieve the necessary results. Once the statement is made, it needs to be terminated by result clause command. The last stage is to terminate the connection. The connection termination can be done by using the following command clause. In this Java JDBC example, the core part of establishing a connection and executing SQL query is explained. Once we get the desired results, make sure to close the connection. By closing connection, objects of statement and result set will be closed automatically. The close method of connection interface is used to close the connection. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned for upcoming Java programming tutorials. Give your valuable comments below and share this video with your friends. Please visit our website for more educational, engineering, and career-oriented contents.